Hey, good thing you don't have to get out of the house to join us for episode 10 of On the Way Up. Things are pretty exciting up here right now. They're rolling out the comm line. Our goal is to get this chair up and running by the Christmas holiday. You can see behind me, they're still putting up the trusses on the upper terminal. The work never stops, just to make sure we get this chair in ready to roll. And here we are at Midway in that giant new building, which is the garage for the bubble chairs. All of these rails will have the bubble chairs come in every single night so they can sleep tight. We still have the Midway Cafe, will be open for food, and the bathrooms are located still underneath of the Midway Cafe. Let's take a closer look inside. Come with me. Hey, now let's take a look at something else that's going on, snowmaking, and our talk with Jon Wax. Hi there, here I am with Jon Wax. He is the snow surfaces manager, which really just means all things snow surfaces. He's in charge of snowmaking, grooming. That's about right. Did I miss something?
Igloos.
Igloos, snowmaking, snowmaking, grooming, and igloos. So November 1st has come and gone.
Yes, it has.
We're able to make snow, but
no temps.
basically, if the temps drop to what?
Well, there's the game with humidity and temps, but we're looking at lows in the teens, above 5,000 feet, so those are good numbers.
Good numbers to
guns
make snow.
Guns are going to be throwing a lot.
You guys are kind of like vampires too, though, right?
Oh, absolutely. Pirates.
Pirates.
We're
okay.
pirates.
All right. You come to work in the morning and there's these huge whales of snow, and these snowmakers have just been hitting it all night long.
Yep. That's
Awesome.
Yep.
How many years have you been doing this?
22 at Mission Ridge, 24 total.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
a long time. So apparently you like your job.
It's the best job on the mountain.
I'm glad you feel that way, Jon. We're so fortunate to have you on the team and actually leading your team in making snow and all the grooming. Talk about the grooming a little bit. You're in charge of our grooming staff, who, by the way, are stellar at what they do.
Yes, so like I said, I came here 22 years ago and stepped in and started working with the existing groomers, and Mission Ridge has always had the best grooming. So that's just heritage that goes back long before I came around. Part of that is people that come here, like other departments, they don't leave. And so the depth of knowledge in the grooming department here is deep.
Right.
The pros enjoy teaching the new guys, so it just
Perpetuates
Yeah.
on and on and on.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It's cool to be part of that.
absolutely.
Yeah. So we put a lift in putting the lift in right now, installing the new chair too.
Yep.
Has your team or yourself been part of this process?
I have, and a handful of the snow surfaces team has as well. Most of my time was spent moving dirt.
Yep.
I began with taking chairs off the haul rope and bringing them down with a snowcat, an old Deliberator. But yeah, after that, mostly dirt work.
In your 22 years, this is the second lift that you've seen gone in. What do you think of Mission Ridge and how it keeps moving forward and trying to create the best experience for our guests?
It's just constantly improving, and this chair is the flagship. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's just another step in the constant progression of Mission Ridge.
Right, and not only progressing with our chair lifts, but also our snowmaking expansions.
Right, over the years we've been adding additional spur lines and getting into areas that have always been problems, and that's going to continue in the future.
Right, any projects on the horizon that you could tell us about, like maybe for next year?
Well, part of snowmaking, a lot of things are top secret. I'm going to have to hold on to that one.
We just need to trust that there's some fun things and exciting things on the horizon.
Yep.
All right, Jon, thanks so much for talking with us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Hi, my name's Jacob. I usually work at Ski Patrol, and this summer I'm doing a bunch of stuff up here, painting and loading and getting stuff prepped for the full install.
Brandon Scott. I've worked up here for 3 seasons. I work in the park crew. I did 2 seasons as lift maintenance. So far, we've done anywhere from terminal deconstructing to laying rebar, dropped some towers with some torches, which is pretty fun. I've got to run heavy equipment, excavator, dozer, front loader, which is pretty fun.
Well, one of two things. We saw the other day, we had a cool run-in. We had a bunch of coyotes actually come right up through the work site, which was pretty neat. And then the cool work-related thing, earlier this year when we were unloading the chair, I got to play around with like a giant crane to lift some of the stuff out of the trailer, and that was a very cool thing to be a part of.
Well, here we are, gliding out of episode 10 of On the Way Up. We'll see you next time.